51 square meters, 2 bedrooms with balconies. And this is around 3.9 million or around 60,000 per square meter. This is for bidding. So if you are interested to make a bid and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. So this is the master's bedroom with access to balcony and facing clubhouse or amenity area, and that's the pool. So again, if you're interested to make a bid, please message us directly.